updated to the latest iPhone and a new case. I didn't think I was going to want a MagSafe circle, but as time has gone on, I kind of regret that decision and wanted an inexpensive way to modify my existing plastic case. Found these adhesive magnetic rings that modify existing cases and thought we'd give it a shot. This little kit arrived very quickly with everything you need. It has these wipes to prepare the back of the case, and then it also has adjustment guides. It has one for Android and one for iPhone. I have an iPhone, so I'm using that. I watched a little instruction video on Amazon. It's pretty simple. You essentially need to make sure you put it to the plastic case. There's a guide that goes on the bottom of the phone. This adjustment guide sticks to that, and then it shows you exactly where to apply the magnetic ring. And this one comes in two colors, kind of a light gray and a darker steel. First step is to clean the back of the phone. The towelette left it a little bit wet, so I used a t-shirt to dry it completely. Inserted the alignment clip into the USB-C slot in the bottom of the phone, and then used the alignment guide. Easily create a template and a guide for me to install the adhesive sticker. Magnetic rings slide right out and just follow the guide to attach. Then remove the guide, and it does direct you to take the case off of the phone, turn it upside down, and then put pressure both ways and reconnect. Entire installation process super easy, less than a minute. And I do love that this kit comes with two. My daughter's cell phone also needs one at 4/10 of a millimeter thickness. I barely am noticing it on my case at all. It is staying on well, but it's even less than the thickness of my cameras that stick out. So love that it's just not going to be getting in the way like some of the older versions of MagSafe stickers used to. And as far as magnetic stick goes, it is just doing a great job. It's holding well, it's clicking well. I have no issues there. Overall, thrilled with this purchase. That's changing my old-fashioned case into a MagSafe one. Super impressed.